Hold on, miss.
Hold on. On mute, please. Make Petal talk.
Karen.
Yes, Petal, go ahead, darling.
You know.
Who's
You
Petal?
know, say.
Oh, yeah.
You know, say you're being very manipulative and disingenuous the way you say. Because if you
With
see
what,
plank
darling?
on TikTok, if you see plank on TikTok, you're going to see a plank in the on TikTok as you want
Had
to
the
come out and
voice, me know.
identify him. You want
Had the
it,
voice.
but him there as plank. He's up there as plank. So why would you come on the platform and not call out his name? You're
Say MunchieB comment about PNP. Say PNP them stay. They want to sell out people and call them right name. Yeah,
that was your
call me right name.
you whatever, but you're trying to Muslim by when you come out and you call a little mother name and it's identify saying come from Banbury, you know exactly what you were doing. So stop pretend like you're so innocent.
Well, Petal, if you want to
Don't
think
do
that that's your opinion of me. I cannot change your opinion of me.
Them want to put people life in a danger, so they call people name.
Alright, Punkos, listen to me now.
She can't put my life in a danger.
Hold on 1 minute. I don't know Karen, right? Me see her, she come on the platform. She and me and her have one conversation. It was civil. I did not know who she was or nothing. That never have nothing to do with me. That passed. Then Plank tell me say the whole situation where you call out him name, right? Punkos, you invite Karen up here, you know, and you know say Plank there too. You know this I go what? Never go ash out.
No,
this.
he came after I come up. Where's
the Karen?
He came on after I came up.
Oh, okay. Well, he was here. But either which way, listen now, Karen. You are PNP, Planka, and Labour Rights. It's a known fact. You don't come from the same community. You can have a disagreement, you know. But if you start out in personal business, anybody would have been offended by that.
She don't come from my community. She don't come. I come then come the college.
Yeah, Plank, but either way, that's how she know you, right? She come there, come live either way, so she know you, she know your family name and all of these things.
That have nothing to do with politics, Karen. A people rent house in living up.
Oh God, Plank, remember.
No, let him continue, please. Let him continue.
Move your soul and go.
Yeah, go down in the rata castle where your blood clot sister living up. Now go down in the factory, tell my blood clot. Every time you put the clot, but I appear to your blood.
Right now, my family are Labour right. You stink like Karen.
Plank. You see, Punkos, you know the story, you know, because me no know it. Right? And then when things are this personal, you just leave it alone. It's too hot. And I have to take Plank side na this because if thanks reggae, if somebody come, everybody know you see if somebody come and start read out but personal stuff. Whether it's true or not, just like how one woman come and say, oh, she have my file. Me not go take kindly to that because if me talk about politics or politics, me talk about you don't get personal with people.
I say PNP them stay them like call out.
You don't get personal. You don't get personal with people. What go on, Munchie? Munchie every day people ma ask for you.
Tell them to me there. And you can't use phone no prisoner. People, good morning.
Morning.
How you do? You give them one piece, make you get to use one phone.
Me ask Punkus. Me tell Punkus to have a conversation with her because I him bring her up, guys. Remember now, right? So when him bring her up now, me no know say where I go start.
Where, daddy?
She can't come up.
Plank can't like me, no man. This them fan and coming up Plank. This them.
When you hear that girl, they each up over in a Dre Brian box at the time and the rest of them box are also one. Channel nobody.
See, I'm niece coming at the comment there. I'm niece this night comment. Anash.
Want me come now, make you come up Plank.
No, man, my niece good, man.
Oh. You know,
yeah, but the baby no, right. And if you go ball out people personal details and you know already so on the opposing side, you are asking for trouble. Punkos, open your mic, blood clots, cause you call you one up here. And when you have your friend name, you must can't tell it the truth. You have to split the justice way there. If me in a plank position would have upset too.
Why? You alright, daddy?
She hearing boy. Then she never see the big plank on their name. Everybody know the
But I know me do
system is
it,
their
you know.
name.
I know me do it, you know. I know me go over the platform, go this people, me a Linton, you know. And me I tell Munchie, you know, and she jump up. Of a Munchie come call up my name, you know. I know Munchie, how far Paul from to jump up? Come call out my name.
Wrong.
Take off sitting up by car plank, yeah, echo.
So Karen still in the comment. Karen, how you get in number? How you in a contact? And then you know a spam platform.
Karen, they
No
don't
man,
want
me
piss
make
up
2
plank.
phone call and get her number, man, and send her up on her mother, man. And call her boss, man. Because her boss are the counselor.
A
Yeah,
piece
man,
of you
and
and they
tell
don't
her,
want
man. Eh?
plank Karen, they don't want to put her up on her back as my daddy. You
At
see me?
back as one, man. Me no know Karen. And my brother didn't know Karen and my mother know Karen. Me no know Karen. When me left Jamaica, Karen just got Bamberg live. And somebody Karen a look.
You know that me I tell her.
Somebody will come from down there tell me so she smell bad.
Man, people are enough tiger. You know if you know say labor right man, they not in my father. So every girl want we in a PNP, NDM, UIC, the donkey they want the PNP there.
Punkos, you know, open your mic. Are you cast bangarang, you know? Cause we did there good with Ingram, you know, we satisfied one cover.
No, but Plank never the panel live invite her. After him come out.
Me there a long time. Me there a long time.
So Munchie, you not gonna talk, Munchie, you not open your mic and talk.
Remember me there in a prison, you know, I had me a fair island up on the phone, you know. For my correction officer come.
Okay. I look like he get special privilege today.
But a Karen started planking a rubber good. And you know rubber proper man.
No, the problem is, you know, what go on Munchie, everybody I miss you, and Munchie, you can't do that too. You have
No,
to be.
but I know me, you must, I know me, if me there prison, what me fi do?
No,
Me
you have
can't
to
get
do
myself,
that.
me have to serve time.
Munchie, no. Thief out of prison sometimes, then you know, see your cartel could have get to send out message. Do the same thing.
So me not send out every message now and then with petal ashina. I go to the message.
We not get them, and we want to see you, because you bond them. When you talk about, you notice when you talk them, you bond them. When you
What
talk
you
them,
mean
you
by
bond
no
them,
mix
you know.
the petal? What you mean by that?
When next thing you come in, like you know when you scam and you give people you get people things and then you go talk to me get message and people come and go attack me.
Hold on. What Ingram said on in a comment about no nice girl, no wanna labor, right? Well, Ingram, what you mean? That Ingram in a few old days, you know, me know your body stop stiff long time. I know for your fact Ingram body can barely straighten out for peace. So which labor right girl you know what, Ingram?
No nice girl who wants to be alive or who not wanna do them pum pum and them alone for PNP. Yeah. So they might nice but they want me
You know,
alive and they want to do
Mr. Ingram left young people argument here about want ya, cause you know the panelist there. You're in a retirement, sir. Please. Just be nice. Just be nice.
They say they are out parks. Stay up there. Anyway, Munchie, when you have to
I saw comrade saying you see one comrade me know and the same thing she do me in my community and me just go there one time on a campaign, you know, help with the campaign and stuff. And if you ever hear how she ball out my government name and attack this and attack that, I saw them scare. Because they want to intimidate people. Then what she do when she ball out?
But Petal, we people not scared of them government name. Like they pay your birth certificate and you name yourself.
No, but true them know like all the elderly, like all the mother they know, you know say you know, your mother them, cause sometimes my mother hear me and she say, Lord God, you know, why not no problem with them people? Cause
Yeah,
them want to go
that's true. Cause
integrate.
my mother
Yeah.
would remind me no about attack politics or no. Cause then feel so violent.
You know, people will take revenge against them when they can't get
When me I
you.
say no, when me I
So
say, Munchie, are you
after
back
your
to
power
you?
and a fear.
Back to you, Munchie, back to you. When you come back, cause you're born a PNP, then when you talk, it burn them hot. It's like you touch a pint, you know, she say, in pumpkin patch, send up. You know, see video where I grow on with pumpkin patch in place, and when you talk, it burn them, you know, see them, and all the next one, they look a dirty batty one. You know, see all them, anything you say, burn them. So we are wait for you, what go on when you come back?
I see one heap of good video the labor writer go on with themselves. I love that video where somebody make to remind the PNP when they say the 1.5 gonna work. That was a brilliant video. I will make it. It's a very good video. I like it. And so we have to push back on
So
it, you know.
MunchieB, Bawalan, me not hear your views pan conference. But the Prime Minister
Oh,
said
Jesus.
everybody want hear, cause you're here now. So give me a
Petal,
rundown.
can I answer that?
Why you
No,
watch?
yeah, me say.
You know
So
why you
Petal there, your mouth there. You why we hear from Petal when your mouth there?
You look like
Me
Munchie
that
throat no good. Munchie, she
me
not
that
sound good.
conference,
Munchie throat
me
mash
that
up.
conference. I jump on a rail and I go on with myself. You sit down and I watch it on TV, right? You are more observer, aren't you?
Look
You
here,
can tell because
Karen, don't get no plank. Yeah, Karen, I forgot to have you out. Karen, yeah, I'm plank. I forgot meet down my community. But that you have.
What did I go do? What did I go help you,
What I
Karen?
understand, what the
I'll
first
put it
number
out
this?
the
all right.
What
first
the
number. How did
first
I go
number
help you?
though?
If she even have plank number, right? And if plank even
Hey,
did their number did even want shit in her
Yeah,
mouth.
so if Plank
So
did that look her, if Plank did there with you, if Plank did fuck you, what that have to do with it
what am
now?
I say? What did I go prove, Karen? You're so stupid. Go look at life, man. I move.
Cause you never want to do nothing more than that.
Who put in out plank number help Karen, guys?
What makes you put out the first number?
I'm going to make others know you were looking me. So what? Yano man? Yano man, Karen?
Me never look Karen
But
yet.
Yano man,
Plank,
even
nothing
if plank no
wrong.
member say that look,
Nothing
sometimes
wrong.
when people junk they act, they no member. Even
Oh,
if
me a
plank,
jump them out of woman me
Plank,
have.
plank,
I'm not young woman, Karen.
Plank,
Yano man.
Karen. Hold on there, guys. Let me ask Karen something. Karen, can I bring you up in the back sound? Yeah, and we have a civil conversation without you and plank a cuss? Because if
You have to mute, you have
don't.
to mute plank kizzy, cause plank
Me
love
not
cuss
turn ya.
until
Me
it
not
bad
go
with and
turn ya.
stuff.
Me go tell him about him mother.
Exactly, you have to mute
Come
plank.
on, plank. Make this clear up now and done with. Right? Cause if you even
Me
look
can't
pum
clear
pum,
up
that
nothing
big
with
lad a
comrades.
pum pum. I mean, no, if Karen say that looking
I know
batty, know a
batty man
different
left.
story. But Karen send a request. Yeah, and plank need to squash this.
Listen,
A plank are gonna be the
Hold
problem. A
on.
plank are gonna be the problem,
Karen, I got
kizzy.
know
Plank ignorant.
listen to me. Karen, I got know me name, you know, cause Karen working at the polling station on my vote, you know. So she got have me name on the voters
Plank
list.
are not that kizzy say, not that kizzy say. Kizzy say no cussing and classing of Karen when she come up. No, we don't want to hear if she know your name. We already know she know your name. Answer that. What kizzy just said.
Yes, what I am saying.
Right.
No, the two are no, right? Karen, mute, please. You and Plank, have no disagreement. Karen, me I tell you say you're wrong. And you see if you is a EOJ officer, I don't know if at the PNP, I don't know how you're reaching at the polling station. You can't do things like that, Karen. Me I tell you the truth. If I saw it come about, that's how you know Plank personal information, that is wrong of you. And you can't carry yourself. So if that's the truth, because you're there at the box, you can't open your thing and say it. But that is not nice because people's personal information are for them to share. And if you are working in anywhere with that is a breach, I'm personal and private data.
Can I say
Mara,
something to you?
well,
Kizzy, I'm
may,
assistant to the councillor. I am admin assistant to the councillor. I am on the MP's executive. Listen to me. If that is not his government name, that's the name that we know him as where he lives. That is not his government name.
Food?
okay, so you have to Damien is a pet name.
Yeah.
Is a pet
That is
name
how
or a
we know him.
nickname?
Me and this gentleman never have no problem. None whatsoever. More than him talk, I said no. And him alright. I mean him good. Used to talk all on phone.
Tell me my number. Tell me my number. Cause you have mistake me for winning. Tell me my number.
Plank, me still have the old iPhone. Me still have to go look in it and give back your number.
Tell me my number.
Plank, you forgot to say, Plank, I'm here have a conversation when I arguing.
No,
you
tell me
forgot
my
to say
number.
you're Ryan pick me up and can't go on LinkedIn from out of dim push up.
Me?
Come on, Plank, man. It be nice. Me, your sister was friends for so much years.
Me
Your sister did something
pick
never
you
like
up.
I'm easy.
Me? That's why me I show you say
Me and
I
your
know
brother
me.
them cool. Me
Listen
your
to
mother
me.
cool. Me your stepfather cool.
Listen to me. That's why me I tell you say I know me. Because me and
Rahim.
Me and Rahim no power when me come to Jamaica. So y'all mistaking me for winning. I know me and Rahim them no power. So if you go say me and Rahim, you are wrong person. Me and Rahim no power. You have the wrong person. If you did say me and Ruan pick you up, would I say yes or true?
Karen and Plank, listen, the two of you know. We never did a who pick up who, All me a say, Karen, if it is
have
true,
no problem with this gentleman.
if you not have no problem with Plank.
I don't have a problem with him.
All right, and
Let me tell you what I don't
you know, say if you call out a person government name and social media, based on the fact that you work in some government office, it is wrong.
Tell you categorically. Make him tell us that Damien is not in name.
Listen to me. Who know me as Damien. Nobody don't know me real name unless me and them go to school. And everybody call me Damien. Yeah, because you're not the vote. You have the voters list.
Never call your real name.
You call out my name. Don't call out my name because Damien is the name when my mother name me. Don't do it. You breach when you do that. Everybody in my community know me as Damien. A very few people know me, my government name.
So Karen, but did you call out his mother's name and his address?
Of course.
No, then Karen, that really wrong, man.
You not just call me mother name, you not just call me star name.
I just said, listen up. Me just say Miss Dar. I did not call where you come from. I said, me and you come from same community. Miss Dar wouldn't like that. That's what I said.
Listen what I said to you. Me a big man. Me a 45-year-old. Me live for my own. What my mother have to do with that? Eh?
Well, let me tell you, me a 54-year-old. I'm still want my dead mama hear me talk. That is why I'm not telling you about my dead mother. Me not telling you about your living one.
My mother know how me stay. Me are the worst one of the family. You know
everybody
that
says
too.
So true.
You know that too. So stop playing
Karen,
fire.
Karen, you're too old. You're too old for plan. You're too old. You're not nothing to game. Anytime I do that, all of my chef have something to game. Otherwise, I over 20, 25, 20, 25 and up in deal with.
Well, you know can done it now. I'm Karen if you do that. Other person that say you do it.
MunchieB, me hear what you say. Me hear what you say now. Me hear you say me say apologize. Let me tell you something, darling. I have no problem in apologizing because I'm a big woman.
I don't want to apologize to me.
Oh, me not accept up, brother. The length that he has gone to now, I'm not gonna do it. I tell you, the length that he has got. Let me tell you something. When somebody call on my boss, I tell him certain things so him can't go fire me. Brother, you stupid. You stupid.
Well,
because I'm
never
not telling
tell
you
a boss to fire you.
I'm up on the recording.
Me never tell a boss to fire me. Tell a boss. Me tell a boss if he stop calling up my blood clot name and that me tell him.
You can't talk to him so.
Oh, you mean if you can't talk to him, so you go like me say blood clot, what him name, and my father. What you mean? What you mean me can't talk to him, so?
Me say the first blood clot, I tell you, I'm hang up the phone for you. Me, I tell you that.
Oh, but you don't tell me so me can't talk to Mr. Garrett, so.
Alright, Plank and Karen, I'm not two adults still. Believe me. We are all grown people. We are adults. We are big people. And this kind of look here, this kind of behavior, it don't make no sense. Yeah? It's simple. It's simple.
You see me?
Uno,
Now let's tell you who I am as a person.
where
Kizzy, just listen to me
why
that
you call
second.
me? And you know, say me dep on the live.
Kizzy, may I listen to you for more you listen to me for 1 second. You see me? I was chairperson for Red Cross for 5 years. See Anna there. She can tell you.
Listen, Plank, you need to chill too, you know, friend. Yeah, you know, yeah, we done.
No, I'm gonna come off on a live too, you know. And that me I telling you.
No, easy yourself. Easy yourself. More you there. So more you there.
Plank, stop miserable of yourself. And what I am saying is we are all big people.
Frank,
Right?
you
We are
never come after. You
adults.
never come after. This is your place. It's your place, this is.
All right,
We are
Let me tell you, me have respect for you, said we. Punkos, me have respect for you, said we. The poor, let me tell you, all of us have to exist. We have to coexist.
Stop it, man.
This world must have labor rights and PNP. We can't have one set of people. For this country to exist and for it to be run properly, we must have people that believe in either sides. And guess what? Some of we are going to get passionate and some of we are going to go overboard. But sometimes we must know our limits. And that's all me I going to say to you. Brother, yes, me and you live in the same place. When
Me
you
and you
come,
don't live
we
same
will
place.
have a conversation.
Me and you don't
Yes,
live same
yes.
place.
When you know, look here, see people are calling me and say me fi take on off I live because the people remember say we have people here who we have respect for, you know. And not because people might not say certain things. Remember where we platform is for, and look good. I try to say to Karen say that what she do, it is wrong, right? Not do that. And nobody shouldn't do that. Not out people. If you know argue about the politics, stick to the politics. Don't get personal with people.
If you listen, I go call my sister and tell my sister what you say. Cause my sister go have Ross.
No,
Hello,
Remember
good
that too.
evening,
Don't
good
plan.
Me no
evening,
want
good
it. Me no want it.
evening.
Me no
Done
want
it
it
now,
leak out
please.
down a bad
Done
bird.
it now.
We
Make it
cannot
done.
have
Make it done for
JLP
the
and
live.
PNP. We only can have JLP. We should not have any
Yeah, this a
PNP.
one. Yeah. This a one.
Okay.
Do you come over here? Tap it. Do you come over here?
Plank, you know figure result that it Pafuno girl
But
from the
kids,
Thursday.
me there, I enjoy myself with my friend them, you know.
Munchie, stop it, no Munchie.
Me there, I enjoy myself with my friend them, you know. And me a talk about where the man go over there, go tell J. Brian them. It look like she upset because the man go up in the box. Even J. Brian, Howard. The man go in a Howard box. I say, when they make Howard, he say, man, he say, you Howard and you Richards, go suck my golden cheesy cocky when him no beard. I mean, I hear them the Munchie and we are advice. If you see me over there, you go see Plank. You go know say me. Oh, man, jump up in the box. Oh, can't
Munchie,
believe you.
Munchie,
With
you
our
need
bad
a
self.
conference.
Plank. Yeah, your niece telling you, say, just let it be. Your niece down in the box, I listen to you.
Yeah,
Me
because
niece,
Plank,
know me.
the truth is, we don't tell her if she's not supposed to do that. Based on our position, if you hold, it is wrong. Don't come and call out. So
Yeah, you see
she said when
Munchie,
she
yeah,
see
you
you,
see
uno can deal with it. But it not
When
sound good.
Karen see me, Karen cannot even chat to me.
Plank, a lady here about the 15-inch and I itch the one sample. Why you never give her a piece?
Karen is not my type.
Guys, for this world to
You
function
know,
and
me
for us
saying
to
time
have
Plank
economic
Hey,
growth
to
and
be a
job
man in a dress up.
creation, we
progress
can
the
only
PNP man
enable
want a shower girl. Look for Sunday. Sure.
for us to have a peaceful world, economic growth, job creation,
Look here,
productivity. We only can have labor rights,
we want to talk about
JLP.
Yeah, Philippine man.
No, but I true she come but say we need both sides of what? Only JLP straight. We don't need nobody else. For them
So,
alone the country
Munchie, we
run a
want to talk
ground.
about conference. Munchie, is there a conference?
we want
Munchie,
to hear Munchie
me
opinion.
never, a long time not hear your voice, Munchie. Open your mic. You
You
got
know what, like
conference?
me, I tell Munchie say must answer me, may ask her one question,
The
Philippian, I win.
argument finished long
No,
time
no.
continuous.
No, where you say, Kizzy? Me never hear the question. Where you say?
Oh, me did I say what no how you summarize up the conference and all of my
The
well in a ball.
conference, the conference was good because me like the idea not to have the vuvuzela so people can hear what the speakers are saying. And as it relates to the all of the speaker, everybody go on good. Some of them can't stop talk a conference now. They know themselves. The long time one they rest conference. But overall, Flight Green was good. Kerencia, although she looked down on her phone, me never loved that. But she have good things to say. But overall, the Prime Minister was excellent. And a long time I tell the Prime Minister say, start spending money. Because if they run with it crew ever win the election, dog nyam with supper. We have all this money, we pay down the debt, we free up the money, start spending money to the ordinary people. I'm want to know Kizzy. I want to ask Mark Gooding a question just because I'm in a prison, you know. Why every time the ordinary Jamaicans in a Jamaica, the minimum wage worker, the retired old people, them forget a little benefit from the government, PNP, always a fight it out. Why?
Because
When Dr.
they
Clark come
prepare
with the
to keep them poor.
$20,000, PNP say, don't give them it, put it on the public sector worker them. Every time. Now you hear the PNP are going and say the JPS cut tax, now go help ordinary people, only rich people. So a rich people alone pay a light bill, Kizzy. So me pay my light bill at $15,000. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by only rich people alone are going to benefit from that?
You know, I have come to realize that the PNP don't know them role, and it's so we know that Mark Golding is very much unfit to become anything at all. Mark Golding shouldn't live in the
Exactly,
Senate
Kizzy,
in the
because
first place.
me no, so Kizzy, you don't know what will pass single parent a pay a light bill. You don't know how much minimum wage worker pay a light bill. When me used to have my daughter, me used to live in Wellington town and me I work minimum wage. Light bill was 5,000, 7,000, and me couldn't afford it. Me have to put on $1,000 and put on this and that and sacrifice someday for pay me. What Mark Golding and the PNP mean by poor people now go benefit from the cutback, Kizzy? What do you mean? Every time minimum wage worker forget a benefit from the government. The poor, the PNP come with their stupidness about, tapanaris. This only every single time I notice them. I don't know if you don't realize them. Every time we, the
But
ordinary citizens, forget something.
the main issue we may have is that they always say the poor must benefit the poor, and but when them in a power, when them do for poor people.
Nothing at all,
Have you
Kizzy.
seen the video with the lady down a Majesty Garden?
Of
I thought
course.
say, what have they done for that lady? The lady say her place burn out from June.
But you talk about the lady, Kizzy. You know see the condition of the place before you ever talk to the lady.
Then me
You know
see
see
it,
the
of
ground
course. Me
like
see it.
pigsty.
Me see it.
Not even my grandfather pig pen never looked so when me I grew up. We used to have 4 pig pen Kizzy every morning. My grandfather used to wake up and wash out in pig pen with scrub brush and something never looked so yet. Deplorable condition. And Angela Brownberg every single week she in a parliament a talk. And she not see the condition of the people. Not even 80 no look so Mama Joy. Not even 80. And Angela Brownberg every single week she in a parliament with her mouth full of story. You never hear she talk with the people in her constituency yet.
And a point of order.
Look for Angela Brown constituency.
Well, me
Look
point
for the
it out.
lady.
You see earlier when me asked Ingram about portion, and me tell him say me know say man no one good person because him cannot give Andrew Holness him due. That's why I said to him, say, if I'm going to speak about portion, I don't want to say something negative. I will just say what she has done for herself is an accomplishment. Because the fact of the matter is, remember saying that constituency, they know, is a former prime minister constituency, you know?
Exactly.
So Angela Bromberg at the time, sometime there she was a mayor for Kingston. So she so the two of them together. The two of them together hold big position, and the two of them have that constituency, and the place definitely look worse than a pigsty.
Worse than a pigsty kids when me see it, me couldn't believe. And Angela Brownberg every single week she sit alongside Mark Golding. I talk about time come and I talk. Let's choose them this year in the parliament. I talk about one bag of food. We never remember because you know say I be a garbage she talk. You know say I be a garbage she talk. And when me see the condition of Mark Golding and Angela group of Mark Golding constituents different from the step we drop. You want to see the house or the place look? Eh? You want to see the whole part shit up on the wall and piss mark up on the ground? Eh? Them are the next one. Them are the next
Oh God,
one.
and some old
Eh?
clothes and some old cloth.
All clothes, all garbage.
Mm-hmm.
Eh? I'm going to
Munchie,
spend $20 million, make all support a Obama low income earner, and the people
But
around our
guess what
constituency
me
are living in a
hear?
deplorable condition.
hey
Me
Munchie,
know how it go, but me hear same own 1% in a JPS. Me no know how credible it is, but that's some me hear.
Me no put nothing
rotted
past
then.
him, Philippian. Me no put nothing past him. I mean, Philippian, you no pay light bill because according to the
Of
PNP,
course, you
all
think
the
me
rich
name a
people alone are
Angela
going to benefit from
Brownberg
it. So you no pay light bill,
constituent.
Philippian.
I not
But
sure me
the
do.
truth is,
I
the
not
truth
sure
is,
me do.
the truth is of the 14 MPs, how much of them have garrison, and for them people not pay light nor water.
Okay, that is why they are saying, Kizzy, say poor people alone are going to
Then
benefit. But we
benefits,
want to
God,
ask them a
because they
question,
already living on
Kizzy.
the grid free.
But
Who make
exactly,
Munchie call?
Kizzy, show your Mark Golding and the PNP steer, Kizzy. They are saying that poor people not going to benefit from it because they don't pay light bill. So we are pay Kizzy and a pay tax. We're not supposed to get no benefit from with tax. Eh? You saw they unfair? The only reason why PNP is saying that because the PNP, them in the garrison won't benefit. But what about us? The
The
law-abiding
working
citizens, when the
class.
middle class, we are
Yes.
pay. We not fi benefit,
Let me tell you where
Philippian.
people live in a, let me tell you now where people live in a Angela Brownberg constituency say. Cause my family come from the two side back to Ann Land and I got Land what day yeah. Tell them say me I go on some politics business cause me da got St. Thomas. And them I say, yeah man, you can talk to about politics man. Me say me can't but I don't know cause you me know na dieted PNP. As some bad man me stand up and talk to you know. The man them say dieted me blood clot. Me say I don't love Angela too much in here man. The man them say Angela for go suck out her mother. They hate Angela like poison. I'm start customer and say, yo, me no want you nothing for no cause now cuss Angela and election day, when nah vote for nobody else. When
Exactly.
die at it to a
This man
party
don't
behavior.
want
And get to
Miss
forget with
Chin,
her.
Miss Chin, you seen
Whether
the
they are
same
even with
video
them.
with the elder lady? When remember she was talking to a man, but you hear one woman in the background and the woman a cuss Angela too. And say bad to bad
Me
push her to
here,
care of people. Them. You hear that
but
part
I
them?
not just back to
Yes, me
alone. Me
hear
just
it,
tell you this to
Kizzy.
say. I not just back to people alone where Angela Brownberg MP for. All Land too, and I can tell you 100% about Land. Land where my grandmother and my auntie used to live, and I live there with them. That's why I can walk in there in my green shirt. Back to where my cousin them live right now. My father side of family them. So I know where me I tell you about. The man them in there say, yo, the woman for go suck out her mother, them not like her. And one thing she ever do in a Land, there's a homework center where them use a container and build a homework center. And a badness make Angela Brownberg did have to build that. And not she do it for people them cause she rate them a badness. The people them take and force her to do that. And from she build a homework center, no internet no in there.
Kizzy, me can tell you.
No internet no in there.
The
And
majority,
something on the
the
rooftop.
majority of
Something on
people
the
in a
rooftop,
central
something wrong with
Manchester
it. And
City
the woman
pay
nah
a light
fix it.
bill.
Every minute them call the
You know,
woman
they pay
to
free like
fix it
that.
and she nah fix it. Something on the top like some solar panel or something. Come here look on it when me I talk to them. It painting a blue and it grill up.
So what you say, Miss Chin? They don't get no free Wi-Fi. No
No
free
Wi-Fi no
Wi-Fi
in
no
there.
offer dongle like rest of community them.
They say from last year, people them not use the homework center over there lock up.
Did you know that the other day when Kerencia was here, Kerencia told us that in her constituency, 5 of them free Wi-Fi connection that she put up and she just turned MP in a 2020. So you want to tell me that them no put in not even one down there, people them get one?
No, because she don't want to stand up beside no JLP to take no pitch talk, Kizzy. So she not put up no free
Okay.
Wi-Fi, she not build no low,
No
she
free
not build
Wi-Fi no in there.
one of the low income
No
house.
free
You know,
Wi-Fi no
realize
in there. And it's something wrong with the panel on the top of it because that's No free Wi-Fi no in there, something wrong with the panel on the top part side because a container. So I don't know if a rain cause it or hurricane cause it or what, but the top part like it's a lift and she's supposed to come fix it. And every day she tell the people them say she gonna send somebody come do it from last year. And it don't do the pitney them not use the homework center from last year. It the right side of building 30, between building 30 and the primary school. We can tell you exactly where it is. You can go in there, go look for it.
Bad to bad, guy.
How you want to send
Do
them this to go catch ringworm? How do you miss Chin?
do you
Oh,
think,
miss Chin.
hold on there, do you think that we have or we stand any chance of winning that constituency?
We don't stand a
No, we
chance.
don't. No,
Okay.
we do
We
not.
don't, I don't think we need to
No,
worry much
we do
about
not.
that.
We not
I'm not
worried
asking that to
about
tell me I tell
guys.
you.
But we just approve our PNP. Keep the
We're not even going to think about it because there is no chance.
Me
We
want
not
Munchie
think about it, this thing, but we just approve the point the PNP only say they love poor people.
Really, can't talk to you, know.
They don't really care about poor people. They
You
don't
make
care
Munchie
about
talk. It bone them when Munchie talk. Talk yeah, Munchie. When you talk, it bone
no,
them.
me I said to Miss Chin say we not really
Say,
custom
number
that
8 here.
constituency then because we can't win it. But we only approve say PNP don't care about poor people, Kizzy. And me I say right, we don't have central Manchester. We not at the Tapanaris mark friend them. We the regular people. We don't chop wire, we pay a light bill a month time, 15,000, 12,000. And the one little time when we get a little break, it could have be $1 according to liar data. And we want it same way. Because the PNP people them in a town when I pay a light bill, them a live free, them have 3, 4, 5, 6 AC in their house. Why Mark going in a Lego with shirt? Why Mark going on the PNP in a Lego with shirt make we benefit? We don't care how much it be. It could be $5. We want it. We need it because we are pay tax. The people in the Mark Golding constituency not pay no light bill, they not pay no water bill, and they not pay no rent. And when the stairs drop down Mark Golding, gone pam TV, gone cuss government, say government now come fix them place. And those people is not paying rent. And we the law abiding citizen essential, we are pay tax for we land. We are pay light bill, water bill, internet and cable. Mark Golding and the PNP is trying to tell us that we don't have to take the little kickback from the government because it's not enough. How dare you, Mark Jefferson Golding?
What
How
are his
dare you?
economic and social policies? Why haven't we heard anything from Massa
They
Mark?
don't have nothing to come with Philippine about Sebrian. How dare you, Mark Golding, and go tell we the people them want pay tax, not to take back no tax benefit from the government. We just mind PNP people in the jungle. That's all we must do. Pay tax to mind PNP people in the jungle.
Waterhouse is not the
That's
Prime
all.
Minister's constituency. I am from the Prime Minister's constituency. Hi, honey. Dante Jacked. Yeah.
So,
People beg siblings fertilizer from last year. I know. Then go and go buy them fertilizer because if me have crapper ground Kizzy and me beg somebody fertilizer, me not then have to tell me 2 times so they not give me 3rd time me go buy it. So them beg siblings fertilizer from last year and you know get it. Go and go buy on the fertilizer because when no reap no crap when not give siblings none of the money. When no pick on no tomato when not give siblings a pound. When no go and go buy on the fertilizer no love handout too much. We sick of no. But people beg siblings fertilizer from last year no get it. So what if they not get it? Then go and go buy them fertilizer. A siblings are name the food them on the ground. A siblings are go market go sell no crap. If you don't get the fertilizer, go and buy it. We don't have to get none and every time we don't have to get no love handout too much. Sweater for no brown shall eat bread. So because siblings not going to the fertilizer and not have him up and now, but do not keep on a vote. Because if PNP na power still not get none neither. We tired of one on the handout and the begging. Love freeness too much. And then the one when name from down over there talk about how government a write off people water bill and they never consult board. You hear him again? Anytime.
Peter
The
Phillips
poor
is
people
an
in Jamaica
MP.
forget
Peter
something
Phillips is
Philippian.
an MP. This girl nana sense.
so but Philippine we not ignore it. Ignore it now. Ignore it now.
Nana sense, you know. Peter
Ignore
Phillips
it.
is a MP, big old girl.
Ignore it,
Oh,
no
God.
Philippine. So,
We don't know much. We don't know much. Kizzy, you know much old people me know. You know much old people me know, Kizzy. When them water cut off, you know much single parent me know in a town when them water cut off.
Because it's harder for thief water than light down in a town, you know. It's easier for thief light, harder for water. I don't know why. You know, people me know where them water cut off Kizzy and glad for that little month right off here so they can get some water. And here comes the PNP again. Oh, the government never this and the government. So what if the government never consult the board? How we are government? I feel we board. I feel with money, a taxpayer money and a PNP money when I have to consult no board.
Consult them, Munchie.
But even if nobody consult them, Flipian. That not nothing to do with Ian Hills.
That boy is so lie. Same like him lied about the business, the small business people who are the small tank water business.
Anytime
Like
we
he
get
lied
something.
about prisons being built in Westmoreland.
Asking for the big old girl we are shout. Rewrite again, come out. We say about big old girl that look like a me. That look like a me. Rewrite, come on, G. Rewrite that again. We say about the big old girl we are show. That look like a me, guys. Rewrite that. We never see it.
You
Rewrite
can't
that.
mute her.
She can't write nothing. She can't write anything more.
Oh, you mute her.
Because then can't disrespect nobody over there. I tell them already. First of all, she don't know nothing because she had asked if Peter Phillips never resigned. If you must live under one of Peter Phillips batty jar, make you know say in no resign.
Whole big.
Yeah,
If you liberate a person we are shouting for whole is big.
Dujan want come up in that. May I come down out and put up Dujan. So Dujan.
All right. Yeah, man.
I'm ready to come back up.
We the labor right.
They want the PNP.
Guys,
with the ground.
Them hold no big.
Guys, you know, can't tell me nothing, you know, because me don't me Karen cross him, because me I talk to my sister on the phone, and Karen go to my sister, investigate on me, you know.
Blank, man. We don't want to go back to
You know,
that
can't
story.
take
We're
me
wrong with
down.
you.
Me and my sister on my next phone, and my sister tell me, say, she come to her, and I investigate about the plank.
Then Plank no you say woman
Plank
want
you
Peter
too big man, go sit down.
What you say?
You too big, woman come over here every day
yeah,
and here we are talking about your
woman
15
like
inch.
you know, say I like woman like your Plank.
Like me. You know, you know,
Every day we come over here and talk about your 15 inch. What you think about?
Idea what the government say about
Hold on,
the
let me hear
rural
what you
bus
say.
system for the children.
The
Yeah, we
which
think
system?
about the idea there.
The EPA?
Yes.
It is awesome. Me love it.
It's a brilliant
Brilliant
idea.
idea. You know, let me tell you why too. Enough time you say children get robbed with them lunch money and them something there. If them can't them not when them no say pin them no money, then we leave them alone.
You notice how the PNP not talk about that Kizzy because they not come back to that?
When they come back to
They
that.
not come back to that, you know, because they realize the way when the government give you $20,000 online and do it. Nobody never go join online and go line up like back in the PNP days. Everything come through the system and that go happen because every little pick me up phone there and Kizzy. And I like back in the days.
Something out too, no, see? So, since Edward Seaga left office in 1989, the Water Commission has been a last-making company since 1990, come right up till about 2 years ago. See?
Not about, it's 2 years ago to be exact, because Matthew spoke about it today in the press briefing.
Yeah, so what the Prime Minister do, the Prime Minister had taken it under measures and bring it into the office of Prime Minister. And so that is where the Water Commission is being controlled from right now. So when Ian Scales within line batty tongue, I talk about rate, he know already, so the Water Commission is being controlled directly from the office of Prime Minister. So they would have consulted the board and they would have had meetings and all of that thing already before the Prime Minister make any announcement. So that's that one point out too. So all I hear is the PNP in power, the Water Commission was a last making company.
So now Punkos when I hear you know you're too low.
Have a water bill.
Me don't know why Punko something ever have a
Punkos when I hear in case you think we are overtalk you, we not overtalk you.
Yes, where is a private public company.
Right. Right.
You understand me? It's a whole different type of consultation. So Ian Hills and Mark, they're stupid if people
So everybody mute
Kizzy,
for
may I
me.
come now and give somebody a chance to come in at the box here, Kizzy?
Munchie baby.
Yeah, man.
Me not
Munchie
like
baby.
here. That's why me not talk.
Munchie. Munchie, me hear you say something me can't stop laugh. Munchie, which part you say you there?
No, but it's
Yeah,
true.
Chris, it's
There are a
Munchie
lot
says
of
they are
persons,
prison.
them have
Munchie.
big house. They have big house. And they even have them business not do well. Them barely keep their head over water. Some people in Jamaica, so many people are pretend for how long now. Then just keep up appearances. They struggle to pay their bills as well. Then I'll read here in the box.
that 20,000. 20,000 I got help.
Then I'll read here in the box. All right.
Yeah, man, may I hear you, man?
Okay, what you say, sorry, you add to the conversation?
Yeah, man, me a there listen everything and say me I go up on a taxi, say they and buck up 2 people on the taxi and hear them now. Boy, this is the worst government ever. I say, me a feel look at me and say, who don't live here? Because if you don't live here, you don't say that. I know enough of them people here. Them no listen news and them no read. And that's a problem.
Okay, so did you correct them?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah, man. The man them say the 2 of them say PJ better than Andrew.
Would definitely laugh too.
Yeah, because we tell us we have a set of people in this country. More time I tell us, so them no rationalize nothing at all. Them just anything them see on social media, them run with it. You understand? So just so we there in this country, we just need to just make the people them know say a backward them a go with PNP now. Cause every time PNP come, them destroy the country. And when I say destroy, them destroy it. You understand? So people just hold out them head and hold strong. And I make them get it again. Not for now till you have somebody who have sense. Cause right now everybody there they be an idiot. And that may have to say.
Yeah, man, that's true. Which constituency you from, Dana?
They don't know me,
Who are your MP?
Well, what man name? What name? Forgot how him name.
Quashilaya.
Him there not doing the park area, but
What you could the crash liar, your MP?
Quashilaya.
Me sorry for all I know not do any park. As someone every single life may have at least 2-3 somebody from do any park. And me sorry for
yeah, man, me say to some people who live down at the bottom say, say life not change every day to go the same way. Why you don't change and try and somebody else and see if your life will change? Them not change.
Excuse me.
Understand? Them not change. PNP just thinks that people are idiot all the while.
So
And
what really their motivation to keep and a vote for same somebody straight? And
I think it's just them just love the party. Them just love party more than country.
So them not can go so?
Well,
their situation now better?
It not go better. It not go better.
Hey, Jamaica really, somebody really need to take Jamaica and study it, cause me never see nothing go say it, cause madness.
Yeah, man, they have some people down at the bottom flood out every year and then get up and then demonstrate and so them flood out and so. And them vote for the said somebody over and over and over again. Them not vote for somebody else and see if the man will do better crime I go and win again. Them just live with the same reality. Yeah, so that's how it go.
Guys, so I'm Brownstone cosmetology down there.
That they gone long time, Mischin. Ignore for yesterday come with certain things.
If somebody just typed that a while ago.
Me say this somebody gone already. As them pop out, me already block them. Me black finger real quick, you know.
That's my one stay.
My black finger very quick.
Me just tell you.
Oh, me see it, but me black it already.
Okay.
Right now the country I run nice. my brother, a big PNP, and the man called me from foreign and said, love how the country are run. So I said, then if him can't see why the people that live here can't see it. The man said, love everything what the man I do.
Me feel like some my people will live in Jamaica blind. Might be true with their fight we are look down in Jamaica and see what going on.
Them see it enough, but them just love them party and all that. But one thing me know, when JLP do wrong, JLP talk about them and say them do wrong and lick out on them. But PNP no lick out on them one that, brother. You understand? PNP no lick out on them.
That's why one of them could have wake up in the hours at night and go clean up Melissa Silvera's murder scene.
Yeah. You see?
And if the police, when you go up there, they want corrupt police all down to the day we don't know what happened. Everybody that thinks she died peacefully in her sleep according to Mark Golding.
Yeah. If them, me not tell lie, me if he say if them people get back the country.
Let me say something to you, you know. Let me say something to you. Not if no night. Mark Golding will not become the Prime Minister of Jamaica. But let me say something to you. When you see the things them what they do, will come public. And when you even hear them little cussing and then something and the things them will leak and the weird. You not shudder to think what they did go on it over the years when they control Jamaica.
Yeah, man, I hope a thing them go on with, man.
A whole heap of things them go on it and it cover up, you know.
Listen to me, the people them coming like a cult, you know. Them coming like a cult. Them control the media. Them control one night and them control every government place so you can't think about. So when the things them happen, nobody talk. You understand? Anytime JLP around country, them have to run it good because them have a lot of people that scrutinize them. You understand? So it go.
So we keep on asking the question, when they were in government, what did they do with the taxes? Because we are able to see what this administration is doing with the taxes, but why we can't, nobody is able to pinpoint and say, yeah man, see, reduce GCT and the salary increase for civil servants and public sector and private sector. This increase, that the smile program, all of these things, we can literally list them out. But when you ask the PNP about their tenure to say pinpoint what the taxes were used for, then not one can tell you. Instead, they can tell you, oh man, they are the best. Cause him come talk about black scandal back, all these things. So they have brainwashed themselves in such a way that even when they're seeing the truth, they're seeing the heavens, they're seeing the glory, they can't accept it. It's just hard for them to accept it. But until I don't know if you people had asked Ingram that question, but until one of them is able to come and tell me what the taxpayers' dollar was used to do then, and we know where it benefited the country as opposed to the tapanaris, then we can move forward with a conversation with them.
You can have no conversation with them because then if they even start off good, they end up in a one another part with lie. Look at Ingram for a big man. Hey, it is something for look and study for real. Me keep on say it on my think a joke. Ingram come on, Ingram when Ingram say anything where Ingram no want admit, Ingram say never see it or never hear it. I me tell people all the while that is how PNP talk. They never see, they never know.
I tell them say Ingram and Romed. I don't tell them say Ingram and Romed to stop entertaining Ingram.
Are you crazy, Paul? Are you crazy, Paul? Paul, you're crazy. Let me tell you no, Ingram get a chance because Ingram is out. Let me tell you no this. One member say me not entertain PNP, but Ingram they always over here, and he has never said anything disrespectful. He might say that is not true and whatever you want and try to correct, but he never ever utter a disrespectful word. I mean never hear him on film live them, so me no know. Right? So if him do something now, he have to tell me. The reason why Karen, yeah, him is the second time he come here. And the
Listen me.
reason why Karen, and the
The man
reason
is
why Karen is
no
allowed,
bar no pass him.
the reason why Karen is allowed is she and Punkus are friend that are number one outside at TikTok. I don't know her. And when she came here the first morning, I did not know who she was. And me and her have a civil conversation. She did not even tell me that she a PNP. Me never know. So far, she and Plank thing. You see, if it was another regular, if I did want to come with a mess around Plank, I would have blocked her immediately. But she and Plank now, them little something kind of little personal, cause family knowing and what have you. So we'll leave it as that. But when nobody want things and nothing, some of them the people who want to ask me if they cannot come in on my box, and if they come in on my live, they have to just come in and go. Cause if they comment me, I go block them. Instant. Me no want nothing to do with it. Me no want nothing to do with it. In a sick over them with tear up people character. Me no have time for them.
Karen, come over here all the while I hear we are talking about 15-inch and plank. Me would have wanted to if me in a current position. And if me can't get it, me cuss him nasty blood clean feet.
Oh, no,
me no wrong the girl class plank. She want the 15-inch and she a class in feet. Plank carry the big long 15-inch, can get the girl and go. Love you, yeah, brother?
Instead, over got to my sister, and my sister, she got to, I inquire me, and my sister said,
My
brother,
enemy is possible the woman wants it to. My
long
enemy is
time.
to your sister, your mother, any family. She want the 15-inch.
Turn on my time.
Yeah, our cervix good. Come with see that the 15-inch they run and I she run down. Anyways, me I come up on the live because I don't want to understand me a switch on the conversation. Later, guys. Pick up on yourself.
Philippians, Dante calling you.
No, easy. That's all me know.
Blank, my friend.
What chucks?
Anyone planting love run to you, see love get ignorant and run. I want
Me don't like argue, you know. You know, me don't like argue.
yeah, but
And this
arguing
woman
necessary.
pissed me off.
Casper, you
Listen,
calling me?
arguing not necessary, you know.
Yes, your boyfriend calling you, Dante.
My boyfriend?
Let me tell you, Plank, you see them people that said they are police boy, you know. Him know me when me left town and come a country come live. The boy know me. Me come see the boy that wear tear up body pants. Where they sew the body height and wear it. And me never call out the man name yet and say where the man live. And the first thing the man do, call out my name. Me know where you live.
Munchie, look, Ken, are you here?
Me say me must say a madman take where you gun, you know. And me have to diss him up, bro, because me I say me know the man. And me not call the man right name. The man call out my name. Call out my name and I go on like and I tell people say him know where me live. Like, you know, some people want to point you out for say people for come do something. But you me not afraid. Because I know from me born me have to die. So that's how you go. So me not afraid.
Well, Chucks, we don't tell them already, you know, they can come dig up me after birth and my mother after birth after she birthed me. And put it on social media, anything they want to say, because they will not be saying anything that I don't know. And your name, where you're born, that's why I don't understand how Mark Golding afraid to tell Jamaica where you're born. Because where you're born, you don't have no control over it. Right? And if you're born poor,
I'm not going to tell nobody that.
and if you're born poor, and if you're born rich, and it is neither here nor there, kind of change your politics. You know, change your belief. Jesus was born in a manger, never born in no palace.
Yes.
So if you tell somebody say them poor, that is a disrespect. And if you go tell one woman say she so good, she dash her belly, she oring, these things are not cursed anymore. People are make millions of a sucking hood. The girl are dash her belly and a laugh. These things always it. We live in a modern world now. And when you come,
Me not understand. I want to hear today.
I'll ask a question. Karen work with the EOJ, right? It's not against my rights for her to come
she
out and
is
try to call
of course
up
that is wrong, and
She not say she work. That's what she has. So she work with the
but
She
she
work with the
she
EOJ.
work
she don't want to lose her work there. So she
but if she work with the EOJ, if she do work with the EOJ and said that,
she's not supposed to give out
matter of fact,
information.
you know, say people who work with EOJ not supposed to take part in the political conversations. If you have
She
the
working
proof,
at the polling station.
yeah, you see, if you have the proof, you can go, EOJ go make a complaint about it, and she will not work here again.
She
Because she
work
give
with the
out the
EOJ.
name.
She working at the
She give
polling
out the
station.
right name.
Sheldon Swaby, you're not no sense. You're not no sense. And you see, and tell you something. Oh no. Me don't know what is wrong in sucking wood. I feel your throat, I feel your mouth. Idiot. But because people are make money from it, if that is wrong. I am saying that these things now are common assault. It's not an insult to nobody. So when you come and but if you come and think, say, you're going to tell me, say me so good. Because you know why me say me a vote for Andrew Wellness. That will not change my vote.
Ask where it's up, Kizzy.
So basically, all I am saying is me keep on telling the PNP people them, say stop attacking people's character. Because that will not change anything. Because all of you people want to have their character questionable. It is alleged that Dayton Campbell was having sex with children. It was in the news. I know so. But he still left on the podium. I don't have no problem with it. So won't go come tell me, say. If make me stop. Say when election call me, I go vote for Andrew Wallace. If one was say it's not a policy that affects me and mine, it cannot. It have no bearing on the conversation. That's why I'm not interested for going on in a mud and dirt with Uno. So if you don't understand that, Swaby, right? Then something wrong with you. I'm telling us all the while. So when you don't come here, come say nothing. Better if you stay there and I comment quietly. Don't come here because you not go win. Right? Once you, the people who are put up in a phone opposition there, all of them have questionable character.
Can't know if America make one machine. My machine will check PNP brain. And what PNP think for the right thing.
Right, we hear
Black
say
you can't
Esprat
have
the
a
back a
machine.
man. We hear say Esprat the back a man, right? We hear all sort of sitting. Just like how no claim so no hear all sort of sitting. And where change? Tell me where change.
Ellen come out and burn out the chief curry, say my batty man.
And he burn out Esprat too?
Yeah. Say to what?
Right? So one not go come and say, tell me which perfect human being. After none we there no Jesus Christ. So when you know, I keep telling you, come with the policies and stand behind the party with substance. But you not do that. You don't go and be nasty.
But they have to be nasty because they don't have any plot. And they want to be heard. Empty barrels, people are not.
One
So,
minute, tell Munchie God. Munchie about
People them. And YouTube they listen. YouTube they listen, they don't learn nothing, they don't go deep and find out nothing. So when them come over here go and like intelligent. When you check it out on next program, you go up and ask them question if you come back over here. Eh? That's how they want to live, man.
that a blade brown.
Yeah. That much shit toast them, bro.
tweet when he claimed that he went online to get the information to show us, to read it for us.
Yeah.
And then we're like, who is the source? Him can't tell you, it's AI generated. So Philippians was like, no, you need to tell us a source and it has to be a
We have
credible
to go and
source.
get it.
So when we started lamenting on that one, it need a credible source, we need a credible source. Him come off and must go somewhere else.
If you go over there, you come and tell the money in the US. You're gonna get a different amount, and you come and you are tell it in a Jamaica, you're gonna get millions amount. That's what he did.
JLP boss, welcome.
They all listen to me and they're saying, yeah, man, I like it talking because you have some people not understand nothing at all, you know, them just around with the ear, so you see it. We have to talk facts.
Yes, definitely. I mean, as we said, them always alright. When them come in at the comment, just look. And I don't know where them get out of that. I mean, I know if labor rights do them so if there's any labor right, where do them something upon PNP live, God no more that embarrassed for no. Good evening, Miss Fatsy. I would be so embarrassed if there are labor rights out there where I go in a PNP comment, just go right. Mark Golina Banya. Because that's stupid.
That's stupid for true, man.
And when them come in at the comment, uno PM a idiot. Labor right done. Uno go name shit. Just foolishness. Tell me now. That when me see that, me want how me I go engage you? Cause you already defeated in a life. You already tell me say you not no sense. So what go waste
right
time?
that way. Yeah.
That's how you
Oh, mother. Yeah. So I just block them and delete them off it.
Hi, JLP boss. JLP boss.
Yeah.
You on live?
Yeah, man, I go live to man.
Oh, first I'm seeing you, but I followed you.
Yeah, man. Thank you, man.
Okay.
so JLP boss, which constituency you from?
I'm not doing Clarendon.
Oh, okay. You went to
We lost
conference?
the election with them by out the by election.
Oh, don't you did that in town?
Yeah, in a town division, yeah?
Oh, that's where you're from?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, man. We do that ball, all buy them buy it out, you know. And we have all the lady campaign for like 2.5 weeks and get actually them just beat you by
54
yeah,
votes.
and a 2.5 weeks she campaign for.
Mm.
And that man they we run against her day night over 30 a year.
Yeah, but me not understand how the people are voting back for somebody with them rejecting a February. That don't make
No
no
man,
sense.
them come buy the vote, man. Them come and buy the vote cause true labor rights say them not believe in a buy vote, you understand?
I see, no people tell me that. Them say to me say, that make we no win because few people don't want to spend money.
Yeah, them say they not believe in the vote. So the man them come
really believe in it. Me not really believe in it either, you know, JLP boss. Me tell you the truth because a corruption that and by right we're not supposed to sell, we vote and we right. And you're supposed to think and know say if you not have nothing in your life, have little dignity, and if I even that one right where your four parents fight for, you're supposed to uphold that out of respect.
I say right I know me know say them still not feel good because they want $1 million what they spend to buy a vote and them still I does 50. I does 54 then get out of the how much in millions. You know? So me know them still not feel good.
This is them problem. They thought that when they win Alien Town,
they may get the mayor.
Right.
But they make a start mistake.
The price of milk not change.
What's the card? Yeah. Tell him
the
for
price of milk not change.
Yeah.
So that's why they invest so much in that.
Yeah, man, Mark Golin, Peter Bunting, all of them down here same way. I hear them sleep, then get all the house down here. Yeah, man.
But then get a surprise.
Them get a surprise, because what them here work for not happen.
Yeah, man. I see my ball on TV yesterday, but I was raised here.
Yes, Mario?
Have you heard nothing about those by-elections, though?
Which one?
The PNP then come buy vote them, man, and come spend out their money at 6 million and spend in a one look at normal. One look at normal election.
What do you mean, like year one? What if you hear?
Remember the recount.
How is that going? Me not hear nothing.
Oh, the recount. Me not get no final information about the recount, but obviously we not hear nothing because it not change the outcome. But by right, we can suppose
No,
we can
they
check.
publish it.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to say to you now. By right, it should be published, the final count. But me not see it. Me have to go check. Me have to go check. But me not hear no information. Me not hear none at all. Master Mark think him is a land to himself. You know, and because them a PNP, then think so they can always use land, trick people and fool people. But them I don't know why them a run down parish council. So they must think so them all suck off none of money. But I add it a wait for them nasty bunk school.
Thank you very much. I add it wait for the nasty. All of them when I
Look
spend
here.
government money.
All of the
You,
parish council need to be audited.
them are going to audit all of them. Especially you want them where PNP can control. Because them now fix the road, they now fix the market. Them a rent out government market. Them a rent out government market to one man, you know. And the one man a collect money off of the market, you know. I never see nothing yet in my life like that. Or you for rent out one of you.
Dr. Rod, you're in the box.
Yeah, man. Blessed good evening, everyone. Shower labor right.
Good evening, Shower.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Third time I come up on a live. See?
Show.
Yeah, man. Love it thing. Love on our go on with. Chucks at go on. What go on? Philippian.
Let's.
Big
Hear him to me now. He want come say to me, say, boy, it be a lie. Them want to hear in the tell on TV. Me say, well, on the brother. Are you alone when they watch the TV? Not true. Me say, what you say? Me say, I must be alone when they watch the TV, man. That's why. You know me, I tell them, say, boy, no harm me up. Holy, wait. No PNP can't test me none time again.
Well, me glad for
Yeah,
that.
man.
Sometimes
Yeah,
we get
man.
little rowdy. Sometimes we get little rowdy and pass what we know for pass, and you know. But at the end of the day, you know, we're a
Yeah.
human being, and everything
man.
you have control over. Sometimes, but me hope say at least we're getting the information out there, no matter how the life get. Once we make valid points, and you guys are learning and getting the information, that is the objective.
Cause some me get them and some me pass them on to my wife, you know, cause she not really follow up them something, you know. So some me pass it on to her and I say, man, that's right now. Cause I know say why, yes. And the boss that. I remember all that 2016 he come to a year and me shake all in hand comes about let Cam go introduce it to him, shaking hand and thing. Yeah man, so that's how you think set man. One straight show man. Me that conference Sunday man, but why? I'm go Rusty and what the girl name? One labor right. Call her alone, me book up on.
Oh, you meet the two of them.
Yeah, I see them because every time I go to a conference, we sit down at one place where some people from St. Louis just go to them place and sit down and buy food and liquor and everything. So I did them and see Rusty a pass and I make him out. So I say, Father Rusty, and yeah, man, this one have a little good chat and sit. Well, the conference was nice.
Paul Lawrence, I don't know anything about Chris Gayle and running. I don't know. That is a rumor out there. I cannot confirm nor deny. I don't know.
About yes, whatever.
We have no clue either. Belmont Road, the MP have
Me
no
know
way for
somebody who is
the
going to run against Julian, and the person is doing extremely well.
Philippian, me ear want something to somebody say something to me and
You
me
me
want for
can,
this.
me can send you a message and you just look if it come up on your screen.
Yes, send me.
Alright, may I send it right now.
I don't know, Paul. I have no clue. I have no clue. But either way, either near here nor there, Philippa. That's when PNP the time come. Philippa will time come long time. He should have no longer been at the parliament.
I must say, you can't control the youth and they again and rare and blah blah.
Yeah, right.
So, in time come for true.
In time come and gone long time. No development. Me don't know. Me don't know
No, the
between.
Prime Minister built. Let me tell you what the Prime Minister. Mr. Rod, you can please mute. Prime Minister built the new shipping pier in Port Royal, which is his constituency, Palwell, and also a 2-story building. So that's the latest developments over there.
Yeah, we know that Chris Gayle is
And
from
there are
East
some
Kingston.
other.
I know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Philippine and Paul will do them though. And Paul will
No, the
achievement them.
Honorable Prime Minister.
The Prime Minister's
My
achievement
MP.
and him develop the place over there and Paul will.
No.
But Paul will from north to east till now still so look. Rockford look like Duppy Town, not true. Blade Brown. You always a come with your fuckery. Typical comrade. No. You don't know the development no way. No one gonna want 2 bag one can shit in a community bathroom.
Elon Musk struck out with the Republican senators, and his striking out with Republican senators may be the most.
Mr. Palmer, in the back, sir.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
I just do a post and I say, ask him what wrong with him? Can he live in a glass house? And him a Flintstone and know say he can't Flintstone when in a glass house. Because yesterday in press conference, so much lies.
Kizzy, me go send you the name now. Look out for it.
And then so much lies with my Ian Heels and then want me to get a nice skin but color thing there.
You see it here, Kizzy?
Go on talk, Mr. Palmer. Go on talk. We are here, man. No, listen, Philippian.
Philippian, where are kids in the top of the nice?
Hold on, Kizzy, mute. Yeah.
What Miss Chin then there? Where Miss Chin gone? I'm Petal.
From Miss Chin to Linton, come up. Miss Chin run.
And
oh, Linton did up here?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, me never get to meet MunchieB Sunday.
MunchieB wasn't at conference,
She wasn't
Philippian.
there.
No, you know, MunchieB said they are prison.
Oh, she there prison. Jesus, bless her soul.
Yeah.
She go replace Cartel.
No, our baby, I get big.
To say no to Trump during the first Trump presidency,
Yeah, man, you can't take me out of the box, please.
Go ahead, Mr. Palmer. Richard Palmer.
Yes, I was saying I love how I want me to get under Mark Golding's skin, that Mark Golding a cry now. And when they demonize Siaga, it was okay for them. And if for them it's black man time, why are we talking about white man? Why nobody wanna talk about the embarrassment of having a black man in a chain and him releasing black man out of chain? That's an embarrassment and insult to Jamaican people. And that's something that I won't stop talk about. Because we have to keep push it in our face, you know. Him call Montague boy. When a white man call a black man boy, that's insult and that's a racist talk. He went to Portmore and style up Terrell long enough to apologize for it. So he's known for having his dirty behavior. So now he come back to haunt him and cry foul. And then the media have it as big
Why
thing on
kiss
the
you?
news.
Why kiss you the audio blade, bro? Why kiss you the audio? I can't understand because
I want her to add him. Please add him, Kizzy.
For what?
Please add him, man.
Mario, Adam, I think come fuck himself and kick him out.
No, I don't think Mario is a moderator.
Yeah, Mario can add him.
Oh yeah, add him, Mario. Oh, and Dark Knight is here, so please add him.
The man for sending request. Oh, sorry, Mr. Richard. Go ahead.
Oh, maybe his profile is private and only Kizzy can add him.
I keep sending requests. He must send a request. Mr. Richards, you were talking.
I think his profile is private.
Kizzy alone,
Yeah.
Kizzy alone can add him. His profile is private. Me not see him down there for adding.
So we are looking at a leader who bent and line to the Jamaican people. And he think that it's gonna go unnoticed, you know. And it's good to see the media start to bringing that out now. And this morning I was listening to some analysts who saying that the man was wrong. Cause the slave thing that he did and helped to is backfiring on him now. So he have nothing to say about the race color. And I agree with that. And I want to continue pushing that in our face. Because I'm not gonna ease up off it, you know. And then we look at the achievement of the Jamaica Labour Party. We now move from third world count to some circle into the second world bracket. Which PNP could ever do that? And I have been around from the 70s and I have seen a lot. And I tell you, I have to lift my hat to this Prime Minister. This Prime Minister go to bed every night thinking how we can make Jamaica better. While the PNP job is to destroy and to tear down. And the other day I sent a text to Radio Jamaica and say, how the hell you have Jan and other guys coming on the station campaigning every day? And from I sending that text because I'm a shareholder inside, you know. I haven't heard them that much on the radio anymore campaigning. Because they're giving them free airtime to campaign and crap. And I'm good to see that they are eliminating that now. But it does take one person to fight against it, you know.
She ended up 8 cents to 528.
Thank you, Mr. Richard. Thank you.
See? Kizzy.
Kizzy move from that phone and should have met nobody know what to move.
No, it look like Philippines saying Kizzy gone somewhere, man.
No.
You know, so you send her a message if you got in the inbox.
She wouldn't go in the inbox. She would just see it pop up at the top.
Kizzy, where you got on something to your phone?
Kizzy, your mind mute, you know.
Kizzy done?
Kizzy walk
Top
up on the phone, man.
up the line, everybody. Top up the screen.
Philippine Blade Brown, I say where you have plan for him.
Said this guy is the most
Where what?
guy you see ever. Send me hear the man talk.
Oh, we must have plan for you.
Man, nine, you see? She don't want a PNP man, my virgin. Oh, me I tell you. Why not?
Unprivate, tell him for unprivate him
Oh, so much
profile.
the better. So much the better.
And come back, Blade Brown.
Make me have enough headache from today.
No, make him come, man. Make him come.
No, you fi make him come. No, we up here, sir.
Guys, just stop that, no man. Just go and unprivate your profile and come back, Blade Brown. Blade Brown, I like when me block him, you know. He make another profile. Woo, can't bother. Go and go unprivate your profile and
I'm
come back.
tired of your PMP them. I saw them turn. They come in like nuisance. Boy, I don't know.
They need to come over here to learn. Sometimes I'm tired of the
But no,
lies and
still,
propaganda, you know.
we teach
You have to
them. Me not
understand.
understand.
It's like therapy over here.
And the facts, everything what we are tell them, they know say facts are yet still. Why?
Why I don't say thank you? What did you say? Um, Mama, me not hear what you say. What if you say thank you for?
Okay, Dante. Dante is like Philippines. Your voice soft though, man. Jaja.
Look, when I tell Philippine them all pass it now pull up already. You hear me say?
Blade Brown have whole heap of profile. Trust me.
Man, I get jealous. Dark night. Man, I get
I don't
jealous.
understand what happened to Kizzy. Anybody have Kizzy number?
No man, Kizzy good man. Kizzy just walk away from the phone.
When you call her no?
Dark night, call Kizzy.